What's happening, YouTube, man? It's your boy Lamar back with another video, man. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, I got some errands to do. I got some shirts to do. Like, it's a lot of things I gotta do. I got 2 shirts to drop off. I gotta get my tires changed in my car. They gotta take my little engine little thing. And then what? Probably do a little some free stuff after that. But ain't too much. Y'all boys go ahead and get ready with me right now. I'm lying. Before we continue with this video, man, I'm gonna need everybody to like, comment, and subscribe. Not even comment right now, you can comment in the video, but like and subscribe right now. And, you know, show love to support, you know, my channel and everything, my success I'm about to go through, man, for real. But yeah, now, y'all can get ready with me. I'm gonna hit y'all buttons when I'm done changing and everything, you feel me? Yo, what's good? I'm back. You see what I got on? It's nothing really major, hold on. I went through a lot of clothes, no cap. I'm trying to find what I'm with. But I just threw something together. You feel me? A little crop top hoodie, black jeans with some, I don't never wear these Air Forces. First time wearing these jobs. But it's something slight though. Ain't really nothing too much major. Hold on, let me pop this up. Ain't really nothing too bad though. It's straight. But yeah, now it's change of plan. First I gotta drop my sister off to work first. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get in the wheels, drop my sister off, do my tires, drop the shirts off, and go crazy. So I'm gonna hit y'all boys as soon as I get in the car. But as you can see, bro, I got this jacket and everything. Now I'm finna go drop my sister off to work. She right here. So what up, sis? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I might drop my sister off to work again. I'm finna go get my tires changed and I'm gonna drop these hoodies off and then probably do something else. So what? What's up, YouTube, man? I had to stop and get some eats real quick, man. At Mickey D's, you feel me? So yeah, Mickey D's with it, bro. When you come, hey, I want y'all to put in the comment section right now. When you come to McDonald's, what do y'all get from McDonald's? I want to know what y'all get from McDonald's. Cause I just simply get 2 McChickens and the drink, maybe a small fry, you know. But today I just got 2 McChickens and a little drink. I ain't got too much. Yeah, man, for real. As you see, man, I'm back in the car, bro. I got my food, bro. I'm about to bust that, but now, oh my God, who is that? Speeding. But now I'm headed to get my tires changed. And after I get my tires changed, bro, I'm gonna go drop this jacket off, and then boom, I'm gonna go kiss one of my cousins probably. You feel me? So I'm gonna hit y'all boys back when I get to the tire place. As you see, man, we made it back to the tire shop. You feel me? Just waiting on the man to come on, check my tire oil, just get that thing real quick, man. Ready to slide, ready to get the orders off, man. Ready to slide, man. I'm ready to dip. Taking too long, man. Come on, hurry up, man. Hurry up, bro. So I'm just gonna try when I get done. Alright, man, as you can see, bro, I'm still at the tire place. It is hella copyright over there, bro, so I'm just gonna take my eyes over here. But yeah, bro, you see my little beep? Yeah, I call it a little, oh, you can't really see, zoom in, little beep right there. And yeah, bro, so, but listen, my homeboy Manny finna come pick me up right now. And I'm finna just chill with him until 1 o'clock, because they said my car gonna be ready at 1 o'clock. And it's only 11:46 right now, so like, I don't know what to tell you. I need to give me a thumbnail or something. I need some type of thumbnail. But yeah, bro. I never in my life had to get a tire change. Well, this is my first car anyway, but yeah, bro. First tire change, you get a, I don't know, it's crazy as hell though. An hour, my nigga? Like, what the fuck? An hour? I ain't mean to cuss, bro. My fault, bro. But an hour, bro? This is bad. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all boys whenever my boy Manny come pick me up, bro. And yeah, that's it. My boy Manny here now, bro. I'm finna get right. I'm finna go. We finna do some errands. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what we doing. But we doing whatever he wanna do. Whatever, it's his car. You know what I'm saying? We lit though. You know what I'm saying? Pause real quick. Oh shit, I'm tripping. You know what I'm saying? What's up to the vlog, man?
What up, gang? What up, gang?
You know what I'm saying, bro? We chilling, bro.
Shit.
Yeah, bro. I don't know what we doing, but we gonna do some errands for him, bro. And then he gonna jump back up. I'll see y'all boys in a minute. Yo, bro. We at Home Depot right now, man. Getting a little key made, bro. Then gonna drop me all back to the crib, back to my car. They just texted me and said it's ready. So yeah, and then we finna go prom shopping. I gotta go prom shopping. Gotta get something. My homeboy gonna tag along. Then we gonna probably might go to the game soon. Yeah, but yeah, man, some cool stuff. So I'm gonna hit that boy whenever I go get my car. That was good, man. We back, bro. I'm here to get my car, bro. And then we finna go meet up with my homeboy, my other homeboys. Yeah, we finna meet up with my other homeboys. That's really it, man. We're gonna be chilling. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna chill. Everything's good with the tire, bro. They finna pull it out right now. You know what I'm saying? My little beep beep. Everybody, if you watching the video, man, go ahead and spam beep beep in the comments, bro. Oh, you heard that shit? Beep beep. I mean, you heard that shit? That's crazy, bro. Bro, yeah, bro. Finna drop my boy Manny. Manny finna go drop something. I don't forgot. Yeah, my beep beep, man. For real. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. You have a good one. So, we turned, man. We got the car back, you know what I'm saying? All right, now time to go do some errands, bro. We out, bro. We hit y'all boy whenever we meet with the game, man. I'm at AutoZone right now, but I gotta take my tire pressure too. You feel me? So, this shit right, bro. You feel me? This thing going on the road. I don't want. If you said something to bring it, I would have brought it on my life. Bro, so let's go ahead and get the orders on real quick. Get this tire pressure. And I gotta get this alignment for my car. All that. So much. No cap, I thought just having the car, you just gotta put gas in and just, you know, turn it on, we out. But nah, that's a lot to it though. So yeah. Nah, what's good, y'all boys? Hey, man, I done cleared up the game, man. And Manny up there, bro. I don't know what the fuck Manny got going on, bro. What is Manny? Who, Manny? Manny, bro, come back. Nah, but now we turned, bro. Got my boy Manny right here, bro.
Damn, cut. Nigga, who need a cut? We was it? Me?
And then?
That's who you go to?
Yeah, I be chilling.
I go to Jackie.
Yeah.
I can come by Jordan.
So,
They already laughing, bro.
nah, real though.
You need to tap in with Jordan.
Nah, all jokes though.
Tap in with Jordan, bro.
I don't know. We probably finna go back to my crib after this, and then we might go to the game. I don't know if. Wait, y'all going to the game?
Probably, yeah.
Alright, so man.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I got some at the crib. Might. I don't know.
One of the niggas close is crazy.
I mean, it's alright though. Sometimes.
That's crazy. Only after we finish, you know.
It's all good though. Nah, bro. We did change, bro. You know, we all changed.
Finna change again.
But my homeboy and Jordan and Eric, them boys went to the crib real quick. We go change, and then they coming back to my crib, and we gonna head out to the game, going to the basketball game tonight. Bees versus Calvary. Yeah, good. You too? What's going? You know what I'm saying? You turned though. Got my black friends. Come to the light.
Ah, my N word.
You know what I'm saying? He about to go change in a minute. Look, oh my God, just everybody dripping though. Like, what's going? Like,
Everybody on all black.
everybody just got on black, except for me.
You got black on, bro.
Should I put black jeans on? Should I put black jeans on?
That's what I said.
Do it. I don't know.
You good. Take them off. Huh? Whoa.
Put black jeans.
Like right here, right now. Yeah, take the black jeans
But
on.
yeah, bro. We should go to the game, bro. Hit y'all when we get to the game, bro. Oh, it's good. You too, man. Hey, bro, listen, bro. We chilling right now outside of my boy Manny. We can't even see. We black as fuck. Oh. I thought it was a dog. So we at Manny crib. Oh. No, we chilling. What? Well, stop trolling. Put that dick on there. I thought it was a damn dog. No, we chilling though. We vibing. Now we finna go. Oh, it's we finna leave right now though. You know what I'm saying? On some cool y'all. Wee. So I'm gonna hit y'all when we get to the game, bro. Real. Man, so look, bro. This shit bad. I mean, this job bad, bro. So we thinking the Beach and Calvary game was at what? 7 o'clock, bro. Whole time it was at 5:30, bro. So like it's 7:19, bro.
The game almost over.
The game basically over. It's what?
We would have pulled up. Would have been probably overtime.
I'm saying, on my life, it might go to overtime.
That shit not overtime.
On my life, it's 50. No, it was 50 to 46. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, bro. So that's what I'm gonna do, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right now, man. Y'all boys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, bro. If y'all fuck with me for real, bro. But yeah, man. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one, man.